Yo, what's happening? Coming at you today. Let me get my sip on real quick. Good old Gatorade. Got a treat for you today. Better yet, I should say a treat for myself. But let y'all come with me on this right here. Box. But before I open this, I want to start doing like every other YouTuber on the YouTube. How about you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell in the corner for me and get all the notifications. Subscribe to it, brother. If you watching this your first time or whatever, hit that subscribe. It really helps, and press that like button too. But anyway, so we got this. This was supposed to be here Monday, and it didn't come. I was mad. I'm like, what the hell wrong with this seller? I'm like, he sent this shit snail mail, but I get the package in, and he did ship it 3-day priority. But the thing about it, today is Friday. But I did track it, and there was some delays from the postal service. I don't know why. I don't know if there was some weather, other places or something. Maybe there was a storm. I don't know. Maybe somebody flipped 20 times on the interstate or something. Hope not. But something I've been had my eye on. So coming this Jordan 32 box right here. Want you to see the details. Hopefully it's focusing. Try to give you a little time for you to look. Let me see. Air Jordan 32 low, white pine, green, black. All that good-ish right there. Take that lid off. See what the rock is with. Got this bunch of paper. Let me see what the shoes cracking. I can't see them. What they looking like. Jordan 32 low Gatorades. Now I was trying to chill, but I seen this, man. I've been wanting some 32s. Like, that's part of my I be collecting since the 30s, 31s, and I'm trying to get like the newer ones and stuff. So I need a pair of 32s. I wanted a pair of high 32s, but I love this colorway, even though it's the lows. But I had to get them because the price for them, I see all of them going for like 2 something, close to 2 or whatever. I caught these like 118. They was on the auction, but they had the buy now option for like 118. So instead of even waiting on the auction, I just bought them because I ain't seen them go for any lower than that. But let's get into the shoe. This is my first time really looking at them. I seen them in the mall. Not this one, but I seen like 32s in the malls. This is my first time ever really having some 32s in my hand, and I'm gonna give you my first indications and what I see. Shit, but you know the specs and stuff if you pay attention. Where I've been looking for them. So they got their fly knit. Their fly knit upper is all in the front. They got that. They Gatorade, a lace lock up there. They got Jordan sign on one side, and yeah, just like I thought, got the Gatorade on the other side. So it's that Gatorade colorway, that white and orange. Got the wings stuff in the front. That Be Like Mike on the back of the tongue, and on the midsole and stuff. Got the got like a green plastic shiny. It's kind of like the Jumpman on the 72 and 10s right there. So that's nice. See right here what kind of material this is. I don't know exactly what material this is, but that's a nice material around the ankle, around the ankle area. This right here is like a flat leather type thing. Whatever. And got on the back, this right here whatever that is. So if you hold it up, like you see all the orange and stuff, but down is black. So nice little touch, like a little two-tone type thing. But this shoe, if you don't know, it was inspired by the Jordan 2s, because the Jordan 2s have similar properties of these, etc. Let me see if I So the design is similar to the Jordan 2s. They got that right there. And see, the Jordan 2 also has that. And you see from the back. So that's the similarities between the Jordan 2s and the Jordan 32s. So they just tried to bring it back to the past in the future. In the future, the bottom has that mic. Has that mic with the Gatorade logo. Has that flight posit. That I guess like flight speed stuff right there in the middle. And it looks like it would be real flat, like if you just see it in pictures and stuff. But just feeling on it, like it has a lot of texture. It feels like it would have a lot of grip. And it's like a two-tone. It goes from the blue translucent type, and it goes to the orange, reddish at the bottom. So there's a good little touch. Good little touch. They put a lot of small little details on the shoe. And in the inside, you got the Gatorade logo as well. So just trying to give y'all the details I can see. I can see firsthand. And next up, only thing to do is get an on foot popping. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go outside and put these on. Oh, got that 23. Got that 23 on the lace lock. But let me get it on foot. Peace.
Blind ambition, say I'm wishing, bitch, I'm chasing while you hating on my greatness. Dodging Satan, seeing, waiting, putting doubt inside my head, I'm losing patience. That's the beginning of your demise when you start having negative thoughts inside. But I'm filled with pride and stubborn as the fuck. Gotta get it, you can't wait on luck. Stacking patterns, have you feeling stuck. Nigga hopping caught inside this rut, but I won't give up, it's never gonna happen. I will never give in to the madness. Looking up, climbing up the ladder. Underneath my family full of sadness. Depression, man, is running through my veins. Gotta get away, cause it's a strain. Life of pain, but see what there's to gain. Pit in the bottom, I would go again. Came from bottoms, we done broke a change, but I can't lie, want a copper chain. Nigga shit with more material things, and I guess that I'm a little vain. Always thought that I would be the man. Sitting back was thinking of a plan, but it failed because too soon I ran. Want success, but it go through my hands. There are things you gotta understand. It will come, but not.
Alright, so after the on foot, I would say the sizing on them, I would say go true to size. I wear mostly a 9.5, but this was a 10 because I found a deal on it. So I have a few pair of 10s. It didn't feel overly big on me. It felt pretty good, but I would probably rather a 9.5, rather my true size. So I would say go true to size. Maybe go a half size up if you have like a fat tight foot, because they didn't feel like tight on me, but they didn't feel like loose, even though they a little big. But so that's my thoughts. I think they pretty comfortable. Would they be a nice hooping shoe? I'll hoop in them, like in a gym scenario. I'm not gonna take them out on an outside court and mess them up. But what are your favorite silhouettes of the Gatorade line? Like, these are just two of them. Me, I like these because I wanted the 32s. I think just from aesthetic looks, I would say the 6s look better. I would still say the 6s are killing the 32s, but I'm glad to have the 32s. It's kind of stupid that I got like the same colorway, like they both exactly the same color. But what are your favorite silhouettes from the Gatorade line? They have these, they got the green ones, they got the ones, there's different colors and all kind of stuff. So what are yours? That's what I want y'all to write in the comment section. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest of the most hated. Fuck with your boy. Peace out.
My ambitions as a rider.